A few. You might make it. Maybe. I don't know.
There's no guarantee, really.
He's right. You're all gonna die!
You can do it, Puppy! Don't be scared!
That's so exciting. We're gonna die, everyone!
Come on! Go down to the front house. Don't worry. If there were danger, my burning senses would warn us.
Good luck, puppies! Be careful!
Don't get anything weird off the sidewalk.
Check out my bunny copter. Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single pup that I know of. Love each house. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drawings. Come on! Go down this dark alley. Don't worry. If there was danger, my burning senses would warn us. Boy! You're trespassing in reality. Oh, come on, this way and that. Oh, my God.
Oh, my ears! Wait! I love cats! Ow! No! Okay, good one, guys.
He's walking around here, so that's twice as fast. What did I tell you? The pet store. Perfect place. What? Don't look at me like that.
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get a doctor looking like that! You gotta get you cleaned up first! Huh?
We move. Was there any guy? It should be. This plan is perfect. It should work.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be clean and healthy! You're gonna get adopted!
You're next.
What do you say? You wanna come here? Yes! Mom! Oh, look! What do you say? You wanna come home with us? Yes!
Oh, just wait till you spend the night in this thing.
You welcome, people. It's a celebration.